guys, welcome back to my channel. I had recorded a couple videos or maybe even more and my phone broke on me, so I kind of lost all that footage, and that's why I haven't been uploading. I haven't had a phone. I just got my new phone yesterday, so I'm jumping right on it today and filming for you guys. There's a couple like different things going around the internet that I wanted to try, like the color contour for example, but since this was my first video back in the swing of things, I wanted to just do like a spontaneous makeup look. So I came up with this multicolored pink wing, kind of super girly snatched nose, just a really pretty glam look that I will be showing you guys how I did today. I've also been working on my own line of beauty products, starting with lip scrubs. I have been also working on Laced by Rishella. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm going to start off with my Rishella Beauty lip scrub. This is in Strawberry Vanilla. This is just a little sample size.
So this lip scrub is a lower grain, which means like it's just like smoother, not as much of a rough scrub. So this kind of just like exfoliates and cleans off my lips, and ooh, tastes really good, but you're not supposed to eat it.
So I'm gonna go right into brows now that my lips are nice and like clean. I'm going to be using this dark shade from my Wet n Wild brow kit. Using a Wet n Wild brush as well. Oh, and new product alert. This is the Circa Style Master Tinted Brow Gel Mascara. So before I go in with filling my brows in, I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of shape them with the gel. So I'm taking my Wet n Wild brush and I will go ahead and fill them in now. Alright, I guess I'm going to conceal with my LA Colors Wet to Dry Concealer in the shade Light.
As always, I love to just blend that concealer line down to the lid, and it can even sort of act as a eyeshadow primer.
Now for my primer, the Circa Fresh Canvas Pore Minimizing Primer, Mattifying and Oil Free. And this is a green tint one. You can kind of tell by the color on the bottle.
This primer was also literally $3, and I actually really do enjoy it. It's one of those gel-like primers, which I think is so good for filling in pores and blurring flaws, and at the same time it's green, so it takes away my redness. I'm just going to go ahead and apply this.
Next up, I am using CoverGirl Clean and Matte. I used to use the CoverGirl Clean and Sensitive until it ran out, and then I came across this. And I definitely wanted to try it because I liked Clean and Sensitive so much, and I definitely like this one as well. I used to be such like a dewy finish girl, but once I started trying like the L'Oreal Matte Lock Foundation and different matte finish products, I realized I just really do enjoy that clean matte finish. I always use way too much on my hands, so I'm just going to try and get it back in there. So before I move forward with my face, I want to get into my eyes. I decided that I'm going to be using both my Maybelline Lemonade Craze palette as well as my CoverGirl Katy Kat palette. Sorry for always using these. I'm going to start in my inner corner with this really pretty pinky red color called Ice Pop. And I'm going to take some of this really beautiful purple shimmery color So as you guys can see, I'm dragging this eye look all the way out for dramatic effect. Time to cut that crease with that same LA Colors concealer. Okay, I actually did an okay job with that. Of course, the second eye never turns out as good. Back to the Lemonade palette, I'm taking some of Citrus with that same, I'm gonna do that on my inner corner of my lid. And for the remainder of my lid, I'm going to take some of this really pretty pale pinky shade. So guys, this is like super multicolor, but I'm like totally all for it. Okay, this shade right here from the Lemonade palette is pretty much like the perfect brow bone shade. It's like a matte cream color. I feel like I should just take some of this really pretty shimmery goldish color and go right along the edge of my brow. I'm taking that same color that it was in my inner corner of my crease and I'm doing my under eye area. Alright guys, I didn't do my under eye concealer or highlight yet, so if it looks a little messy down there, don't even sweat it. I feel like the crease needs to be defined a little bit more, so I'm going to take my Hard Candy Walk the Line Liquid Chrome Liner. This is like a metallic goldish, and I'm going to try my best to create a line in my crease. For my eyeliner, I tried this before with that flower look I did. It might be on my Instagram. Actually, no, I think I deleted all evidence of it. I would like to do a kind of fuchsia wing. I'm going to be using this LA Colors matte liquid lipstick as my liner. Trying really hard to let this dry and not like screw things up. The wing is thicker than I wanted, but you know. I love to make the eye pop with a white liner. So I'm taking my LA Colors Jumbo Eye Pencil in white. And I'm going on my lower lash line. So now I'm going to kind of clean up the under eye area. I'm going to start off with my Revlon Age Rewind. This is another Circa product, and this is the Champagne Beach Picture Perfect Powder Bronzer, which was also $3, and I have to say I really love it so far. Taking a bigger brush and just blending that out. I'm going into my NYX Beauty School Dropout Alumni Kit. I've discovered I really do like blush.
Mom, this way can touch your makeup, baby.
Okay, before I go any further, I'm going to throw on my Kiss Foaming Lashes. I will be right back. For my highlight, I'm going to be using this shade actually from the Lemonade palette. It's called Main Squeeze and it's like a champagne. I am actually not doing a setting powder today. I'm going to work soon and I plan on actually taking all this makeup off before then. For lips, I will be using my Rimmel Stay Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Rose and Shine. I'm just gonna top my lips off with a little bit of highlighter. So that completes today's look. I hope you guys like this kind of different multicolor eye look that I tried out today. If you get the chance, try out some of the Circa products because I really like them and they are super affordable. So thank you guys so much for tuning in.